Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another first impression fragrance review, and I'm here with my girlfriend Kelly.
Hello.
So I was at the King of Pressure with my girlfriend, just shopping around. Just kind of had some free time. We did some errand stuff earlier. I went to a store I went to before when I got another fragrance from this place. It's an awesome store. You should check it out if you're in the King of Pressure area. And what's the store called?
Perfumology.
Perfumology, and pretty cool. I like the packaging too. It's pretty nice.
Very nice.
Yep, and I'm going to give you my first impression on a fragrance from the house of
Imaginary Authors. It comes with a bookmark. Really cool presentation. So what we got here is Every Storm a Serenade.
Cool.
Do you want to keep going?
Yeah, you can give the notes.
So this, it says Niels Bergegard. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I patter on the typewriter all day, but the letters on the page are like raindrops on a window. I fear I may be losing my mind.
Wow.
Fragrance notes: Danish spruce, eucalyptus, vetiver, cologne, not sure if I'm saying that right, ambergris, and Baltic sea mist.
Wow.
And it even says, you know, spray here.
On the card.
We're not going to do that though.
It's a really nice bookmarker.
Nice.
Yeah, I sprayed this at the store a few times when we were there with my girlfriend, and she likes the fragrance. She really does. Let's start that off.
Yeah, so it comes in this really nice box.
Really nice. Looks like a book.
The presentation, yeah, it's like a book. Like, you put this on your shelf. Looks like a book on the side. Oh, it doesn't want to focus, but just really neat. Take that out. Open it up. There's your
really
travel
nice
size.
Yep.
Give that to you.
There you go. There you go. Pretty nice size. Distribution is really nice. I'm going to spray it right here on my hand first, see if she likes the smell of it still. So, atomizer is pretty nice. This is a nice size atomizer here for it.
So this one is, I mean, with the title Every Storm a Serenade, it's very, makes me think of the seaside.
Okay.
It's very,
You feel like a little salty maybe?
yeah, sea salty. Definitely picking that up a lot.
Okay. You smell some of the vetiver in it?
Maybe it's the vetiver.
Okay.
I feel like I'm also picking up a lot of the eucalyptus.
Okay.
That smells really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just a really nice and different fragrance. Very complex. And I haven't smelled anything like it before.
Me neither. Very different.
Yeah, which it's nice.
And the brand is really nice
so
too.
So many. So when I smell something that's like, oh, I've never smelled anything like that before, it's kind of nice to have something different that catches you off guard.
And this brand company is pretty awesome. Like, they have the different, like, when you look at their bottles, every bottle at the store has a different, like, kind of design and has a different story behind it, which is kind of cool. A lot of fragrance, you just see the fragrance and that's it. They have like a little small story behind it. This one has like, the presentation is nice, the bottle's nice, the price, well, this right here, if you want the real size bottle, you're looking at about $95. This travel atomizer I got here was $40. Matter of fact, it was $40.28 with tax. So I just want to give you the full price. I do like this fragrance so far. Shout out to Bradley from Triple Ink. He told me about this fragrance on his site, and I wanted to check it out. His YouTube channel is awesome. Happy you're trying to make some more videos, Bradley. Shout out to Bradley. But he got me on this fragrance. It smells really nice, and this company's doing nice things so far. And I hope to try some more of their fragrance out in the future. It's just a first impression. I like it. My girlfriend likes it. They have other ones from the house too that are really nice, but I didn't want to buy all of them. I just want to take my time and try which ones I like at a time. I'd like to thank everybody for watching my fragrance videos. If you like my fragrance videos a lot, I appreciate it. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button that's on the screen. Like the video and leave a comment below if you subscribe to the channel, so I can put your name in the next fragrance giveaway. I just reached 3,000 subscribers, and I have to thank everybody for that. It's pretty cool. You know, it's really tough to do that, and I try to put out as many videos as I can just to make sure everybody's happy. And I enjoy making videos. It's awesome. Thanks for you guys' help and support. And to my next review, bye.
Bye.
Let me show you the presentation of the box. Really nice box. Pretty cool with the notes on the bottom. Pretty cool. Imaginary authors here in the back. Pretty nice. Side and the front. Pretty nice.